Happy St. Patty's Day, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I had to squeeze in this card before the day is over. I just finished it, okay? This is my St. Patrick's Day card, so happy St. Patty's Day. Hope everybody is going out and hanging out with friends. I am not, but hey, I'm with you in spirit. And this is also my Saturday morning makes on a Friday, so a day early. Saturday morning makes is a group where crafters can get to share and be inspired by each other's work. And it doesn't have to be over the top, just anything, tags, projects, cards, whatever you're working on and you want to share. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jill Norwood of Greenwood Girl Cards. You can also use the hashtag SatMornMakes across social media. Alrighty, crafters, let's look into my little guy here. I love this card. I had recently hauled this stamp from scrapbook.com. It's by Trinity Stamp and is called Pot of Gold. So I have the Pot of Gold stamp, Pot of Gold coordinating die. Here he is all colored up. I gave him a red beard and I was playing with this gold, green, yellow colorway with touches of orange. And next thing I know, the rest of the card turns out to be the Jamaican flag. Look at the flag right there. So this is the Irishman in Jamaica enjoying himself on the beach. Okay, and he's sitting on a pot of gold being lucky. That's the story. I'm sticking with it. Alrighty, so this is pot of gold stamps with the coordinating die. It does produce a nice sized image. Wasn't terribly hard to color. 4.5 inch tall, 3.25 inch wide. And I just played with layers. Now the layers, this is another die set, one of my faves that I have not played with in forever. Waffle Flowers, Lacy Layers, 5x7 die. Isn't that fabulous? So the largest die here is a full 5x7 with the stitch detail. And then I did this layer in yellow. Then I did this layer in green. That's the Jamaican flag. Then I did here white glitter cardstock. Pop my gnome up. When I put the gnome against like either the green or like gold glitter cardstock, he was blending too much in it. So the white glitter offers that party pop glittery fun, but is still in the background. And then my little guy comes forward, but I tie in the rest of it with bringing back green and also bringing back that gold yellow cardstock that I have here. I also pulled out for the first time using, I love these gems. This is Pink Fresh Studio Jewels. That green, it's like green with a reflection of gold. You see it? Isn't that awesome? I usually use every other color here. Never use the green, but now I'm like, oh, stick a pin in that one. I like that. So just had to show you that. Everything that I'm talking about will be detailed and linked below, okay? If you do want a nice 5x7 set, this is fabulous because you get the scallop and then you get the dot detail and then you also get the stitched and it's all nested coming in. These sizes here you can use as labels. At this sizing too, this is great for mini albums as well. Just saying. I also have the sister to it, the A2 Lacy Layers. You guys have seen me use this in the past. I haven't really used this one, but love them both. I have the whole line of this in every size, you know, took my time purchasing it. And the Lucky, that Lucky, isn't that so cute? The Lucky comes from, I know, normally I have like a magnet here. No magnet today. I just opened it and cut this out. Simply Sentimental Lucky. And that's a die set. Isn't that awesome? Like it's the shadow with the word lucky and it's all loopy and fun. You also get different styles of lucky. There's even a coordinating stamp to this, but I didn't get the stamp. I only got the die set because that's all I needed. This also comes with a sentiment. I was thinking of using Happy St. Patrick's Day or Good Luck, but I think the lucky says enough and, you know, it's on a 110-pound cardstock, okay? But I think it's cute. I really love this. Next year, I'll be on time with all of this goodness. Colored my guy up. Have him on this pot, which I really loved how the pot turned out. I was so excited by the pot. Don't ask me why. I'm having a wonky Friday. Trust me, I don't know. And then I was thinking of using this. And I'm just showing you in case you want an awesome rainbow die set. This is a fabulous one. This is by Whimsy Stamps, who is now in Florida. I don't know if they were always in Florida, but I know now for sure they have a store in Florida. Gotta go there one of these days, Northern Florida. Array of Rainbows. This is a 9-piece die set. I was going to use this behind him. Look at that swerve. Isn't that cute? So this is a nice little set if you ever want to do something with rainbows. 5 3/4 by 2.5. Fabulous little set. I did cut it out, but then it just, I don't know. I was doing rainbow colors. I'll save this because when I did cut this out, I have 5 sets of this rainbow now. I have red here or there, there. You know, red all the way across, green all the way across. So I have a whole bunch of this to make a rainbow with. I don't know. It just wasn't looking the way that I wanted it to. But I did want to show you that that was a thought. And it's a very cute thought. Cute little set to add to your stash if you're ever in need of a nice rainbow. And then lastly, I did use the Tim Holtz metallic color. I don't know what this is called. Just metallic colors. This green is really nice. Look at it. Isn't that nice? And if I didn't want that shade of green, there was another shade and another shade. Ooh, ooh. So if you are in need of some nice foil cardstock that's not terribly shiny, has a little bit of half shiny, half matte, this might be a good one for you if you ever need just a pack. And it does have cardstock on the back, like almost chipboard. So it has a nice weight. So I think this can take glue well without showing everything through it. All right, crafters, I just wanted to hop on real quick before the day is over. I know you saw earlier this morning, my creative time, that share. Now you're seeing this, and you're also going to see a new release from Cat Scrappiness. 3 videos for the day, and you're wondering if I'm going a mile a minute. But I had to get my little Saturday morning makes in because I had to color up this gnome stamp. Trinity Stamps has a whole bunch of these gnome stamps, and I love them. And this little guy was just so cute. And I bought the whole thing just to do this, so I might as well do it on time. Alrighty, crafters. Until the next video, enjoy your St. Patty's Day. 2 thumbs up. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!